So I got these conversion bolts for my BMW. Obviously I went with wider rims and spacers, so I've been on your usual lug nuts, and I probably got just a few threads holding those front tires on. So today we're going to try these conversion bolts, and it makes things a lot easier to put your tire on too. So you all know how hard it is to hold that tire on while you're trying to get that lug nut and put it through both holes. So what you need here is your Allen key to turn the conversion bolts into the hub, some Loctite. They've been known to spin out, so use some Loctite, thread those in. And then you got your bolts. It comes with the kit, and your 17mm socket. I got these converter bolts from a local shop in Kitchener, Park Auto Motorsports. First time I've used them. I'll be using them again. Didn't realize they were so close, so next time I'll just go there and pick up my parts. Save on delivery. Anyways, that's the kit. I got the second set coming from the rears, but today it's more important that I get the fronts done. Okay, so I got the tire off. I just wanted to see here. These are 42mm long lug bolts, and you can see, well, how much thread that was on. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4 threads. So what happened to my passenger side last week when I went for alignment, the hub was stripped from just those 4 threads holding on. So we're going to put Loctite on this end. This will screw into that. You'll tighten it with Allen key, and then that makes life so much easier throwing your tires on instead of struggling to hold it. These are 92mm. Most of you guys could probably get away with 62mm. I do have wider rims on the back. I am staggered with 10s. Eventually I want to put the 10s on the front and 11s on the back, so this is the way to go. Alright, so I'm going to get them installed and show you what it looks like at the end. So those are installed. Just pop on my spacer, get my tire back on, and oh yeah, that looks so clean. Yeah, I went with a good length. So I just got to throw the nuts on, and that's it. Do the other side. Yep. So I'm just getting these nuts back on now, and man, like, so I had the chrome lug nuts before. What a better look it is right now. And the confidence in driving is 110% now. Not 50-50. Anyways,